Welcome back to Herbal Journey, where we explore the incredible benefits of nature's remedies. Today, we're delving into the world of fennel seeds, a tiny but mighty herb that has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this aromatic spice. An aromatic spice, which doesn't just make for the perfect mouth freshener. Majority of Indian families have a common practice of chewing a few fennel seeds after a meal, but do you know that it has other health benefits too? Fennel has been extensively used for its inherent medicinal and culinary properties since ancient times. Fennel seeds are a storehouse of essential vitamins, nutrients, and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, manganese, zinc, iron, calcium and fiber. They contain polyphenols such as rosmarinic acid, chlorogenic acid, quercetin, and apigenin. In addition, fennel seeds are characterized by powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that enable them to treat various health conditions. Lesser-known therapeutic benefits of fennel seeds. Promotes digestive health. Incorporating fennel seeds into your diet can be especially beneficial after meals to support overall digestive health. Fennel stimulates the secretion of digestive juices and enzymes which facilitate the digestive process. The strong antispasmodic and carminative effects of fennel seeds help in treating flatulence, heartburn, bloating and conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and gastroesophageal reflux disease. The high content of dietary fiber in fennel seeds helps in regulating bowel movements. In addition, it works effectively when it comes to preventing as well as treating constipation. What's more, fennel also acts as a natural antacid. Controls blood pressure. Fennel seeds are a decent source of potassium, a nutrient that helps in naturally controlling the acid-base balance, regulates the heart rate, dilates the blood vessels and stabilizes blood pressure. Chewing fennel seeds stimulates the release of nitrite, which also acts as a natural remedy to maintain blood pressure. Aids weight loss. In addition to a healthy diet and healthy lifestyle, you can use fennel seeds to lose weight. First of all, by facilitating the digestion process, fennel seeds enhance the body's metabolism, which is the foremost requirement to boost the fat-burning process. Secondly, due to being a rich source of fiber, fennel seeds provide satiety and reduce hunger, which helps avoid overeating. In addition, fennel seeds are diuretic in nature, helping you flush out various toxins and extra fluid from the body. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, and fennel seeds are packed with them. These antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, help protect cells from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall well-being. Respiratory health. Fennel seeds have natural expectorant properties that can help clear congestion in the respiratory tract. Consuming fennel tea or inhaling steam infused with fennel seeds can provide relief from respiratory issues such as coughs and asthma. The antimicrobial properties of fennel seeds also contribute to their ability to combat respiratory infections. Regulates blood sugar. Research suggests that fennel seeds may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a valuable addition for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The compounds in fennel seeds may enhance insulin sensitivity, promoting better glucose control. Boosts fertility. Fennel, being rich in phytoestrogens which mimic the female hormone estrogen, helps in stimulating and regulating the menstrual cycle. This can have a direct impact on fertility. Revitalizes and adds glow to the skin. Due to its antimicrobial properties, fennel has been used since ancient times to treat various skin issues. Its antioxidant properties help combat the free radicals that attack healthy skin. It revitalizes and adds radiance to the skin. Fennel also possesses anti-aging properties which help in reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Improves eyesight. Fennel, being a rich source of vitamin A, promotes healthy vision. The A-net whole compound found in fennel seeds is known to improve the protein content of the lens, slowing down the progression of cataract. In addition, it also helps in treating watery and inflamed eyes. Promotes breast milk production. The A-net whole present in fennel seeds has natural galactagogue properties that mimic the function of the estrogen hormone, which increases breast milk production in nursing mothers. Reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Fennel is known to be anti-osteoporotic in nature. The presence of phytoestrogens, which mimic the function of the estrogen hormone, plays a crucial role in bone health. Estrogen guards the bones against fractures, and minerals such as calcium and phosphorus fortifies the bones. Thus, Fennel consumption is beneficial for bone health and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Menstrual relief. For centuries, fennel seeds have been used to alleviate menstrual symptoms. The herb's anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties may help ease cramps, reduce bloating, and provide overall comfort during menstruation. Fennel tea is a popular choice for women seeking a natural remedy for menstrual discomfort. Supports weight management. Fennel seeds are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a nutritious snack for those looking to manage their weight. The fiber content helps promote a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, fennel seeds' ability to aid digestion can support a healthy metabolism. Word of caution: since fennel is rich in phytoestrogens, pregnant women should avoid consuming it as it might interfere with the normal fetal development. Few easy ways of including fennel seeds in your diet. Boil 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds in 2 cups of water for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the mixture and enjoy. You can use fennel seeds as a mouth freshener by dry roasting 2 to 3 tablespoons with 1 to 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds and a handful of sun-dried crushed curry leaves. Store this mix in an airtight jar and have a tablespoon post-meals. As we wrap up our exploration of fennel seeds on this herbal journey, it's clear that this humble herb packs a powerful punch when it comes to promoting health and well-being. From digestive support to respiratory relief and beyond, fennel seeds offer a multitude of benefits that have been cherished by various cultures throughout history. Whether you incorporate them into your meals, brew a soothing cup of fennel tea, or enjoy them as a snack, adding fennel seeds to your wellness routine might just be the herbal solution you've been searching for. Thank you for joining us on this episode of The Herbal Journey. If you found this information enlightening, please like, subscribe, comment and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to press the bell icon to stay tuned for more herbal wisdom on your path to a healthier, happier you.